A 98 VMAX with the UFO Street Pro 4-2 exhaust with the slash cut pipes. I just finished putting in Voodoo speakeasies and pulling out the crappy ass metal packing that UFO put in there and replaced it with some quality fiberglass packing. At idle, she's nice and tame, still has a nice deep sound, and when you're going down the road, you get on it. She roars pretty good still, but at cruising speed, it's a hell of a lot quieter. Sounds a little like Super Trap slip-ons. It's a tiny bit quieter, but very similar.